Hello there guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up RDP remote desktop protocol to remote someone else's computer through remote link. So to do that, we have some simple steps. We have to follow these steps to achieve this purpose. First, check system requirements. What is your system requirement? Like which window are you using? What is the window version? What is your system requirements? Then second step, enable remote desktop on your cousin's PC. You have to enable an option called remote desktop on your cousin's PC. Then allow remote desktop through Windows Firewall. Set up router port forwarding. Find his public IP address, connect to your PC. That is okay. Now first, on your cousin PC, I have taken an example of my cousin in UK and I am in Pakistan. So first of all, your cousin PC is in UK and your PC is in Pakistan. You have to access his UK PC remotely without delay in Pakistan on your local PC. So to do that, your cousin PC should have Windows 10 Pro, 11 Pro or Windows Server. That's the necessary for remotely accessed PC. Second step, internet connection. Third step, PC should stay powered on and not go to sleep. Then on my PC, what is necessary? Any window edition will necessary. Any window edition will do on client PC. Like the accessor, the one who accessed the computer is called client, and which computer is getting accessed is called host. So to do that, how to check your window version? Simply you have to right click your computer and go to properties. In properties, you will see Windows version. In properties, like that's I have Windows 11 Pro, so I can be host. Okay, next step, RDP. I will teach you visually. This is my PC and this is my cousin's PC. I have to access that using RDP. So my PC can have any window edition, doesn't matter. But if I wanted to access my cousin PC should have Windows 10 Pro, 11 Pro or Windows Server. Second step, enable remote desktop on your cousin's PC. You have to open your cousin PC and you have to go to settings. In settings, what you will have to do, you have to go to system setting, and in system setting you have to find remote desktop. That's the thing. You have to click it. My remote desktop is enabled already on. If your cousin's systems, that option is off, you have to on that and copy that PC name. I am going to hide that PC name because that's in confidential information for my PC, so I won't be able to show that, but you will get your system name here, right? Second step is completed. We have confirmed that. And then go to system, power, battery, screen and sleep. You have to off your system sleep, like your cousin's system sleep, if you wanted to access it remotely, but that's for your laptops, not for systems. Okay, next, that's the visual representation for what we did right now. We'll skip that because I told you how to access or on that setting. Step 3, allow remote desktop through Windows Firewall. We have to allow our remote desktop application that we wanted to give our systems access to someone else, right? Windows Firewall won't allow any outside connection to your system, but we have to tell our firewall that allow our remote desktop, because we have to share that to someone else and someone else will access that. I am talking about from my cousin's side, like my cousin have to do that setting, like UK PC have to do that setting, host PC, not the client. Alright, first we will have to open Window Defender Firewall. I will search Window Defender Firewall. That's Window Defender Firewall. After I open it, I will have to go in advanced setting. Okay, allow an app or feature through firewall. I'll have to click that and I will get setting like this. I will have to scroll down and find remote desktop setting. There you will see remote desktop is already checked. If your cousin system remote desktop is not checked, you have to check it and check these two boxes as well, private and public. Like firewall should allow access my computer on private network or public network. After that, what will be next step? That's already the main thing is set up router port forwarding so you can access from any country. What is port? On our system, there are lots of ports, like thousands of ports working together, and some ports are open, some ports are closed, some ports are filtered. So what does that port mean? In our system, one port can only run one process at a time. If, for example, 3389 process is running over RDP, like if I am using my cousin PC on that port 3389, no one will be able to interrupt or start any other task on that port because port is already in process. Port is doing one process and another process can't interrupt that. If we have to run another process, we have to use a different port. So we have to tell our router that this port will be used for RDP service, and from that port what we will access, that system IP. We will have to open command prompt, type ipconfig. I will show you. We have to search cmd and open, and we have to put command here called ipconfig. I will get that IP. That is my system's IP. This is my computer's local IP, not my router's IP. My router IP is that default gateway. I'm going to blur this as well because this is my confidential information. I can't share it online. So this is my router IP. I can access router through that, but to access my computer, that is the IP. We don't want it to access our router. We wanted to access that specific system. So we will have to use that IP, not the router IP. Then we will use default gateway IP to log in to our router. I will show that. I will open my router setting to show you. I have used my default gateway. I have Q-Link router, so I am showing that. So I will enter password and I will blur that. Okay, I am on my router main page. Now what I will have to do, I have to find port forwarding or NAT settings. I will have to go in advanced. In advanced, I will have to go into virtual servers, port range forwarding. You have to find that option in your router because every router has a different configuration, right? Now I have to use that port which my RDP is going to use. That setting will be in your cousin's computer's router, not in your router, host PC. These settings will be done in host PC. Okay, first I will copy that and paste here, paste here. That's the start port, that's the end port. We are going to open just only one port, no more, right? Now the thing is IP. Our router IP is that we searched, right? Now in our router IP, which PC we have to access? That's asking us which PC we have to access. In your cousin system router, you have multiple devices connected to your router, right? Let me show you like this. In your network, you have multiple devices like your camera, your game console, your laptop, your PC. If you wanted to access that, your PC, you have to define to your router that open the port for that PC. We will put that PC IP address in router, right? Now, what was the IP address? Now I will have to go to ipconfig again to check it. That's my system's IP address 103. So I'll put 103 there, and protocol will be used TCP. I will use TCP there and click enable, and then I will save here. I will press OK and it will save, and I have to restart my router after that, right? Okay, that setting has been done. We have opened this port for our RDP on that IP. We can access that IP through that port, means we can access this PC from this port through this router we are using. Like host PC is now available for access. Okay, now what to do next? Okay, what is next step? Find his public IP address. His means host PC public IP address, not yours. On his PC, visit this site. What is my IP address? Right? I will search what is my IP. What is my IP address? That is the site. You have to open that site and you will see your IP address. I am going to hide that as well. It is checking my IP address. Okay, that is my public IP address. Your cousin have to search that public IP address of his and paste it. Sorry, not paste. Your cousin have to give that IP address to you. Username of his computer we have copied in the second step to you, and password for his Windows to you. Then it will work. Okay. Next, how to connect? Press Window R. Window R. You will see that you will have to write MSTSC and then you will enter. You will see remote desktop protocol and you will have to put computer name here. What computer name? The one I have blurred in the setting. All right, you have to put computer name here, username here, and then it will ask for password. You will have to computer name will be your public IP address. You can use that IP address as well. That will be my computer name. I will put that computer name here, and username will be my computer's username. I will have to go to that step again. To do such a thing, I will have to go to no, not properties. I will have to go to settings. In settings, I will go into system, and in system I will go to remote desktop, and I will copy my system's address, and I will open remote desktop. I will have to close that. I will search RDP again and open that. Okay, first thing first, that's the username, and now I will have to copy IP address, copy the IP address and paste IP address here, and then connect. On connecting, it will ask password. Alternate solution, if you don't wanted to use port forwarding or something like that, this you have to use AnyDesk, RustDesk, Chrome Desktop, or TeamViewer, but it has many issues like delays and slow speed. RDP is quite faster than that, but these are software that can work as RDP, but not as fast as RDP does. So this is it for today. We'll meet in next video. Allah Hafiz.